Hey, what's up guys, this is Kev and you're watching Noise Tech. Samsung has just unveiled the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and according to me, it is a perfect smartphone for 2018. Yes, it comes with some great features and specifications and I think it is a perfect smartphone. Let's talk about these features in this video. Firstly, let's start with the design. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and at the back, and you do get an aluminum frame as well. An edge-to-edge display which is 6.4 inches. Yes, that's the biggest ever on a Samsung Note series. And you do get a Quad HD Plus display and an aspect ratio of 18.5:9. I think this is a fantastic device. At the back again you do get a dual camera setup where one camera has a dual aperture, just like the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. The fingerprint scanner position has also been changed, now it is below the camera module. Now let's come to specifications. Snapdragon 845 or the latest Exynos processor. Coming to RAM, it has 6GB of RAM and a variant which is 128GB. Now the second variant is whopping. 8GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, that is half a terabyte. This phone has a storage that is gigantic. This is the biggest storage I've ever seen on a smartphone. 512GB is insane. Now it has a battery which is 4000 milliamps. 4000 milliamps of battery is fantastic. There's everything perfect about this device. Now let's come to the S Pen. It has a Bluetooth module into it which will give it more functionalities. Yes, now you can take pictures with your S Pen. You can do many other things. Yes, it has a programmable button where you can do many things with just the S Pen. Coming to some other stuff, it has USB Type-C with fast charging, fast wireless charging, IP68. It has a headphone jack. It is almost perfect. I cannot call it almost, it is a perfect smartphone. It has got everything that you need from a device. A great display, great pair of dual cameras, it has a great design, it has wireless charging, fast charging, headphone jack, and yes, it can do everything that you need from a smartphone. The camera has also got some advancements. Yes, you get some more of AI features on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. The camera is improved when compared to last year. Now let's talk about the price. The 6/128GB variant is priced at $1,000, which is 67 to 68,000 rupees in India. And the other variant, which is 512GB and 8GB of RAM, is priced at $1,250, which will go between 80 to 85,000 rupees in India. So, which one should you buy? I think you should go for the 6/128GB variant. And if storage is your topmost priority, only then go for the higher variant. 6GB of RAM is enough for any smartphone. I don't think you need 8GB. But storage is what you guys should be depending on. 512GB is insane. 4000 milliamps is insane. This smartphone is perfect. And if you have the money, then go for this smartphone. This will be a perfect one. So guys, this was a quick video on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Thanks for watching guys, because that really helped. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.